Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we delve into an exciting topic that has been making waves in the world of compact cameras, the DJI Pocket 4. With each iteration, DJI raises the bar for portable videography devices, and the Pocket 4 appears to be no exception. Promising a blend of cutting-edge technology, enhanced functionality, and user-centric design, this upcoming release is poised to redefine the compact camera landscape. Let's unpack the details of this highly anticipated gadget, exploring its features, expected release date, pricing, and why it might just be worth the hype. The evolution of portable videography. The DJI Pocket series has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible in a pocket-sized camera. From the original Osmo Pocket to the Pocket 3, these devices have been synonymous with innovation, offering creators a unique combination of portability and performance. The Pocket 4 aims to build on this legacy, addressing user feedback while introducing groundbreaking upgrades. One of the standout features of the Pocket 4 is its subtle yet impactful design enhancements. Maintaining its hallmark compactness, the Pocket 4 is slightly larger than its predecessor, measuring approximately 140 by 43 by 35 millimeters. This modest size increase allows for significant hardware upgrades, including an improved gimbal and a more versatile display. The result, a device that's still pocket-friendly, but now packed with even more power and versatility. Revolutionary display and design. The display is often the heart of any camera, and DJI's rumored upgrades to the Pocket 4 screen are impressive. Early leaks suggest the inclusion of a 2.5-inch rotating OLED touchscreen, boasting a resolution of 480 by 800 pixels and a peak brightness of 800 nits. This enhancement makes it ideal for shooting in bright outdoor conditions, ensuring you can frame shots with precision regardless of the environment. Ergonomics also takes center stage with the Pocket 4's revamped grip and controls. These refinements promise to make prolonged filming sessions more comfortable, a boon for vloggers, filmmakers, and casual users alike. Whether you're capturing a quick travel montage or a detailed documentary, the Pocket 4's design ensures an intuitive and enjoyable experience. A sensor that redefines image quality. At the core of the DJI Pocket 4 lies its most significant upgrade, a 1-inch CMOS sensor. This advanced sensor is expected to deliver a substantial leap in image quality, offering a 12-megapixel resolution for sharper, more detailed photos and videos. Even in challenging lighting conditions, the Pocket 4 promises vibrant color reproduction and superior dynamic range, making it a versatile tool for various shooting scenarios. Paired with a 20mm f/2.0 lens, the Pocket 4's sensor is designed to excel in capturing lifelike images and videos. The combination of a wider aperture and advanced optics ensures enhanced low-light performance, adding a cinematic flair to your footage. This makes the Pocket 4 an attractive choice for creators aiming to elevate their content with stunning visuals. Video capabilities that impress. When it comes to video performance, the DJI Pocket 4 stands out as a game-changer. Supporting 4K video recording at an astonishing 240 frames per second, it doubles the frame rate capability of its predecessor. This upgrade unlocks new creative possibilities, particularly for filmmakers exploring ultra-smooth slow-motion effects. Additionally, the inclusion of 10-bit color profiles, including D-Log-M and HDR modes, provides creators with greater flexibility in post-production. These advanced color modes capture more depth and detail, ensuring your footage looks professional and polished, straight out of the camera. Unmatched stabilization for any scenario. Stabilization has always been a hallmark of DJI's Pocket series, and the Pocket 4 takes this to the next level. Featuring an upgraded 3-axis mechanical gimbal, it delivers ultra-smooth footage even during rapid movements. Whether you're biking down a rugged trail, running through a bustling cityscape, or filming handheld, the Pocket 4 ensures professional-grade results without requiring additional equipment. The introduction of ActiveTrack 7.0 further enhances the device's tracking capabilities. With advanced features like face detection, eye tracking, and improved subject prediction, this system makes the Pocket 4 adept at precisely following fast-moving subjects. It's invaluable for capturing dynamic vlogs, sports content, and action-packed scenes. Enhanced accessory ecosystem. DJI has a reputation for listening to its user base, and the Pocket 4's expanded accessory ecosystem reflects this commitment. Rumored accessories include external battery packs, waterproof cases, ND filters, and advanced mounting solutions. These additions make the Pocket 4 a versatile companion for creators operating in diverse environments, from underwater shoots to sunny outdoor landscapes. The device's audio capabilities have also seen a significant upgrade. A 3-microphone array with improved wind noise reduction and stereo sound recording ensures clear, immersive audio. For those requiring more advanced audio setups, the Pocket 4 supports external microphones and DJI's wireless audio systems, offering unparalleled flexibility in sound capture. Battery life and charging innovations. Battery performance is crucial for any portable device, and the Pocket 4 doesn't disappoint. With an extended battery life of up to 200 minutes of 4K recording, it outlasts its predecessor's 166-minute runtime. This improvement allows creators to shoot longer without frequent interruptions. Charging is equally impressive, with DJI's proprietary PD charger rumored to reduce full charging time to just 25 minutes. This rapid charging capability ensures that you spend more time filming and less time waiting, a critical factor for creators on the go. Expected release date and pricing. DJI's product cycles typically follow a 3-year timeline, and the Pocket 4 is no exception. It's anticipated to launch in late 2025, giving DJI ample time to refine its features and deliver a polished product. As for pricing, early estimates suggest a starting price of $699 for the standard edition and $799 for the creator combo. While slightly higher than the Pocket 3's launch price, these figures reflect the Pocket 4's advanced capabilities and premium positioning, a leap forward in compact cameras. The DJI Pocket 4 represents a significant leap forward in compact cameras. Its combination of advanced sensor technology, enhanced video capabilities, superior stabilization, and a robust accessory ecosystem positions it as a top choice for creators in 2025. Whether you're a casual vlogger or a professional filmmaker, the Pocket 4's versatility and performance make it a compelling investment. Stay tuned for more updates as we approach the official launch of the DJI Pocket 4. And as always, thank you for tuning in to technology in the future. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the latest tech innovations.